We decided to celebrate the Global Volunteering Week within Siemens Energy this year by enabling 40 students from different universities around Egypt.
For this training, I was mainly focused on technical side. Now I realize the importance of combining between technical skills and automation system to meet our future challenges. This shifted my career focus in the roles that combine between them.
I think that this has been a great opportunity to get to see what we learned visually, because in university we usually take theories and the learning style is more auditory.
Companies have a vital role in serving the society they operate in. We believe that our responsibility extends far beyond business to help create a meaningful and sustainable impact for Egypt. This is simply the foundation of Energy4Good. At Siemens Energy, we focus on advancing STEM education, driving energy transformation, and sustaining communities.